Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Cat 5-1B Feller Buncher. This beast conquers freezing temperatures and snowy hills. Powered by a 303 horsepower Cat C9 ACERT engine with a weight of 60,629 pounds, it stays stable on any terrain. Its 26.5-foot reach can handle the tallest trees, and a 35-inch ground clearance tackles obstacles effortlessly. The hydraulic system delivers top-tier performance. Undeniably, this is the most captivating video I've ever seen. Human-animal collaboration in the toughest terrain. Horses showing their true potential. Strength, agility, and teamwork at its finest. A perfect partnership in timber extraction. These animals are pure power, a real tribute to the craft. Absolutely mesmerizing. Without a doubt, this is the most compelling video I've seen today. Well, looks like the tree just taught Grandpa yet another lesson. The More Bark 11, a breakthrough in industrial waste processing. Its efficiency like you've never seen before. A monstrous Cat C18 engine, pumping out 600 horsepower. Coupled with the PTTE C318 clutch system, pure muscle. This mid-tier grinder is built for greatness. 24 hammer rotor configuration, running at 2000 RPM, powering through to 100 cubic yards per hour. When I saw the Ritter D40 in action, I couldn't believe how strong and versatile it was. This semi-professional winch, it's a beast. Dual chain drive system, unstoppable. It's built for durability, with almost no noise. The grip on tight cables, unbelievable. Even on the most challenging terrains, it powers through. With its compact design, this winch packs serious power. The Ritter D40. Wow, check out this daredevil. Amazing skills, but dude, where's your helmet? One wrong move, and it's lights out. This ain't no joke, my friend. Looking for a grinder that can handle the toughest challenges? The Bandit Beast 4680 is what you need. Its 60-inch cutter mill, pure power, perfect for large-scale projects. And the engine options? They'll tear through anything in their path. The wireless remote gives you safety and total control. Adjustable discharge makes material handling look easy. Now, watch a skilled bucker at work. A masterful bucker, meticulously carving through a massive Douglas fir, deep in the rugged forests of Vancouver Island. Every cut precision, every motion respect for the giant before him. Now this DAX 6, the DAX 65T. She's a beast, but even beasts have their limits. Ice in the differential coupling, not a good mix. Time to lighten the load. Give those tires a fighting chance to grip. It's like trying to dance on a greased floor. You need solid footing. I'm a patient guy, but this. The Black Splitter, with its cone-shaped design, is a revolution. Unlike traditional hydraulic splitters, it uses a rotating screw to pull the wood in, minimizing kickback and reducing strain. This means less force needed and smoother operation. Less strain on both the machine and the operator. That equals more efficiency and fewer breakdowns. A game changer in high-volume hardwood processing. This is what innovation looks like. The Kirovets K701, manufactured in St. Petersburg, Russia. This is no ordinary machine. A heavy-duty tractor designed for large-scale operations. With a powerful YMZ diesel engine, and a robust transmission system for ultimate pulling power. The K710 is built to dominate. Watch it perform under challenging conditions, showing off its true traction. Forestry work, it's tough, no doubt, but this pure recklessness, felling a tree that close to houses and vehicles, no warning, no safety measures, that's a recipe for disaster. The John Deere 295 4D harvester, built for the toughest conditions, this beast is ready. A 9.0L engine that meets tier for emissions standards. But that's just the beginning, delivering to 171 horsepower for the most demanding tasks. The advanced hydraulic system ensures peak performance. Precision is guaranteed with Timbermatic H16. Ladies and gentlemen, what we're witnessing right now is absolutely unbelievable. This mighty 6x6, crushing every obstacle like it's nothing. Steepest slopes, no problem. Deep snow, no sweat. This is true power on display, folks, unstoppable. Looking to boost your thinning operations and minimize your environmental impact? Check out the Kramen P25. This compact processor is a smart investment for any forestry professional. It's fuel efficient and easy to maneuver. It can handle trees up to 250 millimeters in diameter. Very cool, huh? Imagine a tool that glides through the forest, a miniature maestro, conducting a symphony of clearing and thinning. The TMK200 cutter head, delicate yet powerful in every movement. It transforms your mini excavator or skid steer into an artist's brush, shaping the landscape with precision and grace. Trees up to 200 millimeters, they yield effortlessly, leaving behind a canvas of beauty and possibility. A masterpiece crafted by nature and machine. Tree stumps every landowner's worst nightmare. You could spend hours hacking away with an axe and still get nowhere. But hey, that's where the JCB3CX comes in. This baby's got the raw power to rip through any stump. Watch it pull that sucker out of the ground. No fuss, no muss. Those roots tenacious, relentless, sometimes even harder to deal with than the tree itself. Without the right tools, it's back-breaking, nearly impossible. But with the JCB3CX backhoe loader, powerful hydraulics, impressive digging depth, it rips through even the most stubborn stumps with ease. The ultimate land clearing solution, perfect for site prep. The Vermeer WC500XL, now that's a beast. 600 horsepower powered by a Cummins QSX15 engine. With tier for final compliance, this thing means business. Vermeer's Smart Crush technology adjusts down pressure dynamically, boosting efficiency across various materials. With features like a self-adjusting clutch and a quick change knife system, downtime is kept to a minimum. It's built for high-output operations, where dependability is everything. Folks, this Colaton pine sawmill is the epitome of efficiency, transforming raw timber into fine lumber. With breathtaking precision, watch the high-speed cutting, the seamless log handling efficiency at its peak. Now that's what optimized production looks like. Behold the RT400, a land-clearing beast, a raw force of nature in mechanical form. Watch as it effortlessly rips through this stubborn stump. Its relentless teeth tearing through roots with brute determination. This is power in motion, a symphony of controlled destruction, a true monster of efficiency. This machine doesn't work, it dominates. Check out this awesome display of logging skills. This driver is navigating some seriously rugged terrain, and their control of the machine is amazing. Definitely worth a watch if you're into heavy machinery or just appreciate professionals at work. A wooden cart tilts dangerously to one side, stuck on uneven ground. Villagers rush in, pulling at the wheels, trying to balance it. But then suddenly the ropes snap. Heavy logs come crashing down. For a moment, time stands still. But thankfully, no one is hurt. Take a gander at this Clearman HD 852. It's got the revolutionary lifting shift system and a butt reducer. We're talking maximum efficiency and minimal waste. This machine is a game changer, pure and simple. With steady hands and a powerful machine, the work flows smoothly. The log splitter does its job clean, fast, effortless. Wood cracks, pieces fall neatly apart. Thanks to technology, what once took hours is now done in minutes. The Moorbark 13 V-tub grinder is a powerhouse of efficiency, engineered for demanding recycling operations. Its Cat C27 engine delivers 1,050 horsepower, driving a massive 31-inch by 64-inch hammer mill, equipped with 24 forged double-edged hammers. The integrated control system mix provides real-time feedback on engine parameters, feed rates, and pressures. Oh my God, that homemade wood splitter is awesome. It can really boost your wood chopping productivity, and it doesn't even need any fuel to run. But I gotta say, it looks kinda dangerous. Hopefully, they'll improve the safety features in the future. Looking to maximize efficiency in your timber harvesting operation? Consider the Valtra N15 active with the Nisla 3 to 5H head, a real powerhouse. This versatile combination excels in diverse conditions, from dense forests to steep slopes. Its compact size and maneuverability make it ideal for smaller tracts of land. Alright, here's the deal with mud. It's slippery and can trap your tires. The key is to avoid it if possible. Now luckily, this truck driver knew what he was doing and got out of there. While perfection is great, real learning comes from problem solving. That's exactly what we see here. This video expertly showcases the use of jacks and wedges on a backward-leaning tree, a perfect demonstration of safe, controlled tree felling, an essential technique for anyone in the field. Need to take your logging operation to the next level? Check out the John Deere 959K. Feller buncher, an absolute powerhouse. Designed to tackle the most rugged terrain, its high-torque engine and extended reach make quick work of even the toughest trees. And with JDLink technology, operators can monitor machine performance, boost efficiency, and cut downtime. If you're serious about logging, the 959K is a must-have. Oh man, this road is brutal, mud everywhere, and those wheels are spinning like crazy. These drivers gotta be pros, years of experience to get out of this mud pit. Timber transportation necessitates meticulous load securement to ensure both efficiency and safety. Logs are typically bound with high tensile chains or straps, conforming to regulations regarding braking, strength, and placement. Proper securement prevents load shift during transit, minimizing risk to the driver and other vehicles. Precision, control, mastery. A narrow alley, barely wide enough for the truck, but the driver stays calm. With expert maneuvering, he weaves through the tightest corners, inching forward with absolute confidence. Every turn, every movement, flawless execution. No room for error, yet he makes it look effortless. From one alley to the next, the mission continues. And in the end, delivery complete, a true master of the road. How are you ever going to get rid of this massive stump? Well, wonder no more. With the Danuser 16-inch auger, stump removal becomes a breeze. Just imagine, effortlessly drilling through that tough wood, leaving behind a clean, manageable hole. It's the solution you've been waiting for. All right, well, we're gonna show you this. So you see, I'm sitting in the stuff. Dries out a little bit and put it on your stuff. And you can burn the rest of the stuff out. On these big ones, I'm gonna have him try it. See if it works. We're amazed watching this, but if the skidder's owner sees this footage, that driver, he might be looking for a new job. You know, folks, logging is tough work, no matter the season. But winter, that's a whole different ball game. The cold seeps into your bones, the equipment fights back, and every turn is a gamble. But this guy on the skidder, he's got ice in his veins. He handles that TAF 690 like it's an extension of himself, dancing through the snow and ice. It's a beautiful thing to watch, a reminder of what human skill and pure determination can achieve. Whoa, that was one lucky day for a DIY project. You see those timber truckers in the Alps? Talk about an adrenaline rush. Those guys were practically glued to the cliff sides. And the roads, forget about it. They were insane, definitely not for the faint of heart. Looking to upgrade your sawmill? The VTZ OptiFast is a must-see. Utilizing advanced sensors and computer vision, it's the future of efficient sawmill technology. The VTZ OptiFast, a game changer in analyzing log dimensions, optimizing cutting patterns with mind-blowing precision. Its high-speed automated band saws, unstoppable, effortless cuts with minimal curve loss. This system is built for non-stop operation. The M&J 4000 built like a tank, a robust shredder for all types of waste. With a bidirectional cutting system, an open cutting table that means less downtime. It maximizes throughput like a well-oiled machine, with 4 hardened steel components, built for the long haul. Energy efficient, saving you money every day. Processing C and D debris, MSW, biomass. This beast handles it all, without breaking a sweat. Navigating the steepest hillsides like it's nothing. The Ritter R185 skidder, with a 193 horsepower engine. This is power, precision, and control. Its hydrostatic drive system is second to none. And the wet disc braking system, it guarantees traction, no matter the terrain. The electro-hydraulic differential lock, pure genius. This machine hauls massive timber effortlessly, and it keeps you safe and comfortable all day long. I get it. Removing those root balls definitely makes clearing easier. But I can't shake the feeling it's a little reckless. Check this out. This operator's a pro. See how he pauses. He assesses the situation, uses the boom with precision. A smart move. That's what thinking on your feet looks like. And Tiger Cat, always reliable, always impressive. Look at this. This is exactly why specialized forestry equipment exists. That hill, too steep. That truck, no way it makes it on its own. But teamwork now that makes all the difference. The excavator, the skidder, perfect coordination to pull that truck up the slope. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Keep it burning. The Mini Lunar Oxen, a multi-purpose powerhouse for small-scale logging. Designed for efficiency in forest maintenance, this beast is engineered to perform, fully hydraulic for effortless operation. Its maneuverability, a game changer in tight spaces, with engine options ranging from 11 to 14 horsepower. Compact, lightweight, a true force on the job site. At just 170 centimeters long, 115 centimeters wide, and 500 kilograms, it's a workhorse. Check this out. The HYM 650 is annihilating that stump. It's like magic. These forestry milling machines are pure power. What do you guys think? Pretty awesome, right? Let me know in the comments. Well, now ain't that something? Talk about teamwork. Man and horse working in perfect harmony, like a well-oiled machine. See how gently that horse treads on the forest floor. No tearing things up, just smooth, efficient work. And you gotta love the quiet. No engines roaring, no noisy engines to scare off the critters. That's what I call harmony in nature, folks. A visit to Holt's Ricker Anton Lowe and his powerful Arden's draft horses reveals logging as an art form, a partnership between man and beast. For professionals to majestic horses, a master horse handler, and a cameraman with skill. Together, they capture the soul of this timeless craft. The horse's dedication, truly moving. They're not just working, they're bonding. Check this out. Leidenberger's got this incredible production line. It's like watching a well-choreographed dance, with every machine working in perfect harmony. They've taken something ordinary, turning wood into planks and made it extraordinary. It's a real testament to their team and technology. This is a vintage 60-ton Grove crane powered by a classic Detroit diesel engine. With that kind of raw horsepower, I just don't see how this stump stands a chance against this mechanical beast. This ain't your grandpappy's sawmill. K&B's 6-foot, double-cut head rig is a beast of a machine, engineered for precision and efficiency. With dual cutting blades, this bad boy slices through logs like butter, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. The result, top-notch lumber, perfect for everything from fine furniture to sturdy flooring. When it comes to reliability and adaptability, the LKT82 instantly comes to mind. With 130 horsepower in a compact, agile frame, it delivers serious power with precise control. The advanced controls and center brake system make it as enjoyable to operate as it is efficient. This isn't just equipment, it's your right-hand partner in the field. Imagine a tool that glides through trees with razor-sharp precision, leaving behind nothing but clean cuts. And the echo of pure efficiency, that's the RSLUK 16-inch mark to treasure. This isn't just a machine, it's an extension of the operator's intent. A perfect blend of power and finesse. With 200 bars of hydraulic pressure, it carves through hardwood and softwood alike. No resistance, no struggle. This footage takes you back to the old school way of logging man and horse, working together to haul timber. No chainsaws, no trucks, just raw strength against the untamed forest. Observe the timeless dance between man and beast, amidst a breathtaking mountain landscape, the rugged terrain, the scent of pine, and the rhythmic clip-clop of mule hooves, creating a symphony of sights and sounds. This evocative scene transports us to a simpler time, where the harmony of nature and human endeavor remains undisturbed. SawStop technology, one of the smartest innovations in woodworking safety. Here's how it works. It detects the electrical conductivity of skin. The moment contact happens, bam, the blade comes to a dead stop. A rapid-acting brake system kicks in, halting the blade in just milliseconds. The blade retracts below the table instantly, ensuring maximum safety. All right, folks, let's talk about this Widowmaker. It's a disaster waiting to happen. Nobody wants to touch a tan for good reason. But this guy, he steps up. He knows the risks, but someone's gotta do it. It's like defusing a bomb, except the bomb is a giant, unpredictable tree. This takes nerves of steel. Give this man a medal. Who knew watching trees get sliced and diced could be so mesmerizing? Yet, here I was in Opinel Ramsbach, completely captivated by the process. This guy, Miller, had this insane contraption called a frame saw, and it was making quick work of massive logs. The sounds, the smells, the sheer power. It was like an orchestra of destruction and craftsmanship, all happening at once. The Terex PT110, paired with the Dennis Chimoff mulching head, is nothing short of magic. In just a matter of seconds, it reduces a full tree trunk into a pile of mulch. That's the brilliance of modern engineering. These straight, split shakes are milled from western red cedar and Alaska yellow cedar, both renowned for durability and decay resistance, while red cedar exhibits superior splitting consistency. For uniform shape production, yellow cedar offers increased density and longevity. Both species are suitable for roofing and siding applications in diverse climates. These Peterbilts ain't just trucks, they're rolling thunder. That Caterpillar purr, music to my ears. And the power? Oh honey, it'll blow you away. It's a sight to behold, a sound to savor. You ever just sit by a fire, mesmerized by the flames? There's something primal about it, something comforting. But have you ever wondered about the journey that firewood takes to get there? It's a story of nature, hard work, and sustainable practices. Let's explore this world together and gain a new appreciation for this humble, yet essential, resource. Precision, patience, mastery. There's something truly humbling about watching someone work in sync with their animals. These draft horses, built for the task and loving every second of it, they prove that tradition and technology can coexist. Enter the Captain Extreme 2, a steel stallion of the forestry world. But with horsepower far beyond any beast, its capabilities push the limits of what a compact machine can do. With refinements in its control systems and upgraded safety features, this machine has the potential to be a game changer, an essential tool for modern timber operations. And that's a wrap on today's Forestry Machine Showdown. If you love heavy-duty machines, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Until next time, keep the power running. If you don't like it, well, thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.